All right, okay. So imagine a world where we made bad decisions all the time. Now imagine a world where each decision was better than the last. Notice I did not say the right decision. My name is Matthew Card, and I'm here to talk about how to make better decisions. So, what is a decision? A decision is a conclusion or resolution reached after consideration. We make about 35,000 decisions on average a day. Software engineers, like everybody else, makes decisions big and small. What language, what tooling, what software do we use? Do we use the latest version now, or do we use it later? Do we break down this task or the problem ourselves? Do we involve the team now, or do we involve them later? Decisions, decisions, decisions. So I believe with a simple process, we can get better at making decisions. But first, some principles. Come on. Yeah, decision making is a skill. It takes time and it takes practice. There's never one right answer. All you can do is make the best decision with the knowledge that you have at the time. But let's try to get the right amount of information and knowledge. Junior software engineers and new people on the team, take it from me, the best way to get over the anxiety and fear of asking the wrong or too many questions is just to ask them early and often, and each time building on each question with the rationale from previous conversations. More senior engineers, we need to promote a culture where questions are encouraged. We were once the new people on the team, right? So here's the process. It's really, really simple. So when you have a problem, when you have a problem or a task, document your solution. Come up with a solution with your know-how, with your knowledge. Document the solution somewhere like Jira or where you're going to put wherever you put your documentation, and then just ask for some feedback. You're engaging your team early and often. Ask for some feedback, understand the feedback, then document that feedback. Decide as a team how to move forward. Document the decision and the reasons why, and then move forward. So then it's quite simple. Then the next time, you may come up with 2 solutions to the problem, document each one, ask for feedback, decide as a team how to move forward, document why you chose solution A and why you didn't choose solution B, document that decision, and then implement. So then the third time, you might want to go a little bit further. You might want to say, right, here's 2 solutions, but I think we should go with solution B. That way you're reframing the conversation, you're changing the narrative, you're putting it forward, you're putting yourself out there. Again, ask for feedback, document that feedback, decide as a team, document the decision, and implement. So we can improve projects by making better decisions, but how we make decisions can change and shape our culture. Thank you.